Hey everyone, I am new to YouTube channels and I've noticed that many new YouTube channel creators wonder why the links in their video descriptions get truncated and aren't clickable. I have found this is to do with enabling standard, intermediate and advanced features which are buried in your channel settings. In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily enable these features so you can make the most of your YouTube channel. Let's dive in. When starting a new channel, it may not be obvious how to enable essential features such as external links in video descriptions. Enabling these features can help you better promote your content and increase your reach on YouTube and beyond. To verify your channel for standard and intermediate features, go to YouTube Studio and click on Settings. Select Channel, then Feature Availability. Verify your phone number to enable standard and intermediate features. Please take note. You can only use one phone number twice in a year to verify a channel for these features. To enable advanced features like clickable external links in your video descriptions, you'll need to verify your identity with Google. Submit a short video of yourself or upload your ID. Google may take up to 24 hours to review your submission. For me, it took around 12 hours. Once your ID has been verified, it will apply to all channels linked to your main Google account. The age of your channel and your posting history can affect your ability to enable advanced features. Channels with regular content and a couple of months of history may be able to enable advanced features without additional verification. So, I hope that was helpful. Within a day, your YouTube channel should now have standard, intermediate and advanced features enabled. This will allow you to expand your reach, improve your content promotion and make the most of your YouTube experience. Happy creating!